Okay, let's have some questions based on properties of tangent. Here a question. Let y is equal to 3x minus 8 be the equation of the tangent to parabola at point 7, 13 lying on it. If focus of parabola is minus 1, minus 1, then find the lattice vector. Let's recall the properties of tangent. For that, look at this figure. We have our parabola. Focus S has coordinates minus 1, minus 1. And we have point P on the curve having coordinates 7, 13. SP is focal length, M is foot of perpendicular from point P on the directrix. Okay. Equation of tangent at point P is given. It is y is equal to 3x minus 8 or 3x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. Then we need to find length of lattice rectum of this parabola. हमें इस parabola का length of lattice rectum निकालना है. We have formula for length of lattice rectum that lattice rectum is equal to 2 multiplied by distance of focus from the directrix. This is the formula for lattice rectum. We have focus. Okay, we can find coordinates of point M. कैसे निकालेंगे? We have one property of tangent that reflection of focus in tangent line lies on the directrix. Focus का किसी भी tangent line में जो reflection होता है वो directrix के ऊपर होता है. Okay, so here M is reflection of focus in tangent to parabola at point P. Okay, so we can find coordinates of point M. We have a formula. If x2 comma y2 is reflection of point x1 comma y1 in line having equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then we have this equation x2 minus x1 over a is equal to y2 minus y1 over b is equal to minus 2 multiplied by ax1 plus by1 plus c over a square plus b square. Okay, so using this equation we get coordinates of point M. Suppose coordinates of point M are x2 comma y2, so we will have x2 minus 1 over a is a coefficient of x. Okay, it is 3 equal to y2 minus 1 over b is coefficient of y, it is minus 1 is equal to minus 2 multiplied by we put coordinates x1 comma y1 in expression, this expression here x1 is minus 1 and y1 is minus 1, so we will have here minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 minus 8 minus 10 over 9 plus 1 10. Okay, 10 gets cancelled out, so this will be 2. From this comparison we get x2 abscissa of point M as 6 minus 1 5 and y2 ordinate of point M as minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So coordinates of point M are, we got the coordinates of point M, coordinates are 5 comma minus 3. Okay, now PM is perpendicular to directrix. Slope of PM is PM is 13 plus 3 over 7 minus 5. This is equal to 8. 16 upon 2 is 8. So slope of directrix will be minus 1 upon 8. Slope of directrix will be minus 1 upon 8. Now we can get equation of directrix. We have point and slope. So equation of directrix will be y plus 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 8 multiplied by x minus 5. So equation will be x plus 8y x plus 8y plus 19 is equal to 0. एक बार चेक कर लो आप, इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स को आप यहाँ पे रखें. You will get 5 minus 24 minus 19 plus 19 is equal to 0. Correct. Okay, so we have equation of directrix. Now we can get length of lattice sector. Formula is this: 2 multiplied by distance of focus from the directrix. So lattice sector will be 2 multiplied by distance of focus from directrix. It is minus 1 minus 8 plus 19 over square root of 65. This is 10. So we have 20 over root 65. Okay, so this is the length of lattice sector. Here we used one property of tangent, that reflection of focus in tangent to parabola lies on the directrix. Okay, let's have one more question.